how are you all doing today? So you guys are welcome back to my channel. All right, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my new addition. Yes, so so guys, I just restocked to show you what I got. So without wasting much of your time, let's go right into the video. You guys know that before now I was using Medix 5.5, right? Yeah, that body lotion, that treatment body lotion. So my own got finished and I decided to restock. Okay, so if you're wondering where I got it from, I got it from this in Abuja. All right, so I chatted them on Instagram and they delivered straight, same day delivery in Abuja. All right, so this is what I got, right? Medix 5.5, but this is the old packaging. Okay, the one I used earlier was the new improved, and it was the new packaging, but this one is the old packaging. Okay, so yeah, this one I got it for about I think 22k. Either 22. If I get the receipts, I will show you guys. Then this one, yay! Can you see this? Yes, so the almighty Amlactin body lotion. You guys, this is the 12% lactic acid. So definitely I needed to add this to my stash because I really want to start exfoliating my skin, and not with that sugar and salt and all that. I want to do chemical exfoliation, and this is the very best lotion for me. So I'm going to be using this at night. So what else? Okay. I got this too. This Cosrx vitamin C. This is the Cosrx vitamin C, contains vitamin E and hyaluronic acid as well. Okay, so yeah, remember, if you've been watching my video, you'll know that I used balanced vitamin C, and I wasn't feeling that vitamin C serum, so I decided to opt for this, and this is really good, you guys. This Amlactin should be about either 45 to 48,000 naira. Yeah, so this is it, 45 to 48,000 naira. Well, this vitamin C is about 20, I think either 19 something or 20 something k. I've forgotten, it's been like a week or two, and if you notice I've opened some of these things, but I still want to show you guys the addition. All right, so this is what I got from Tulip, what do you call it, Tulip exclusive beauty plus cosmetic store in Abuja. Okay, so the next one is I got some skincare products from this brand as well. I got some skincare product from this brand earlier, so I decided to stock up some products from her as well. So guys, this is the ordinary niacinamide 10%. Can you see this? 10% niacinamide, 1% zinc. Okay, I've heard a lot about this niacinamide serum and I decided to use it. Okay, so before now I used the serum niacinamide serum, and right now I opted to use the ordinary 10% niacinamide serum. So I'm definitely going to be coming back with I'm definitely going to be coming out I'm definitely going to be coming up with a review on this product, so stay tuned to this channel. Okay, now the next thing is I got two things from this brand. So the next thing is this, the ordinary glycolic acid. Can you see? the glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner. So I decided to add this to my stash because why not? I definitely need to exfoliate my skin. Okay, so if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, melasma, and the rest of them, you have to exfoliate at least 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so this is it. Then you guys, hey, um okay, I got this from um I got this from Medix. Okay, this is the Sheer Moisture Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. Okay, so it's not just your skin that needs to be taken care of, your hair as well needs to be taken care of. And right now I really need to, start paying attention to my hair. Okay, so I got this conditioner. It is not a leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is not a leave-in conditioner. This is a conditioner you have to use and wash. All right, so I'll be showing you guys how I use it, and I'll definitely be coming up with a review about it. So the most important part of this unboxing video, this is the most important part. Okay, drum rolls. So guys, I got some supplements. You guys know that if you are starting your skincare journey, or you've been into skincare for a while, you definitely need supplements. You cannot be, rubbing topicals on your face and not use it, from inside out. It will not work. Okay, so that is the table I find myself right now. The skin concerns I'm trying to treat is actually, I'm not getting fast results from the product I'm using. So I figured that I definitely have to be, also treating from the inside. So I decided to get some supplements, which vitamin C. I got vitamin C plus 1000 milligram. It's a very good supplement. Apart from, it's been very good for your skin, it's also good for your immune system. Okay, so it does a lot of things. These are the things that are written here. It does a lot of things. Fades dark spots, improve your normal skin texture, enhances skin appearance. It does a lot. It does a lot of things. Okay, so you definitely need supplements. You need supplements. So last but not the least, all right, so this particular vitamin C from Healthy Circle is about 9,000 naira. Can you see this? This is 8,415 naira. So let's just say 9,000 naira for this vitamin C. While this one is glutathione. This is glutathione. Okay, so this glutathione is 1,500 milligram. It's going to it promises to enhance your skin appearance. It's good for hyperpigmentation. It's a good antioxidant. It's good for anti-aging. It has anti-aging formula and properties in it. Okay, so this one goes for 28,000 naira. Let me see. Let me show you guys. Can you see? Yeah, this is about 27,830 naira. So approximately this 28,000 naira. Okay, so this one is you guys, I'll be putting the price on the screen because I must have forgotten about it. I bought these things about 2 weeks ago, so I must have forgotten about the exact amount I bought it. But while editing this video, I'm going to put the price for you. Okay, so yeah, I've forgotten about the price tag. Okay, so that is pretty much what my additions, my skincare product and routine are for today. So you guys, I am so excited to introduce all of these beauties into my skincare routine. So with time, I'm going to show you how I incorporate them into my skincare routine, how I use them, when I use them, how many times I use them in a week, and yeah. Okay, so guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe like this video and share this video. Okay, I remain your humble, beautiful host, Jennifer Grace, and I am signing out. Peace.